Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels. Silk beige MB-Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push-start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio, cup holders, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 22,873 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.